as Indians, we like to talk salad but eat samosa. So how did you bring in Burmese cuisine to India to some people who may have never heard of this cuisine at all in the first place?
A neighboring country of India, so beautiful, people are so nice, the cuisine is so diverse, so relatable, so tasty. And why don't we have anything like that in India?
But like, tell me something, why do you specifically pick this cuisine?
One of the most special and beautiful side of, myself, that's my mother's side. She happens to be from Burma.
When you decide to open a restaurant, what was your first step?
Kitchen consultant, you need a fire consultant, a design
Wow.
consultant, you need a landscape artist, you need 3-4 different engineers, and this is only in the front of the house.
Then how do you bring that kind of authenticity to the menu? Do you travel often to bring the ingredients right from Burma?
There was a challenge to bring in those ingredients. We had to go to the Thailand-Burma border, we had to go to India-Burma border.
The most difficult thing is to maintain consistency of food not only in your same restaurant every day, but now you have so many outlets.
Oh no, yeah, now they have 2 restaurants. The Fort outlet is very good. The Goregaon one is not as good as Fort. I'm good. It's very common and you hear it a lot.
ठीक है, you launched the restaurant, you opened it, but there's a certain storytelling around the cuisine that you have to create to sort of connect to the Indian audience. So how did you sort of do that?
Our, aim and mission was that, right from the ambience to the server's knowledge about the country to the food, everything should just shout Burma, Burma.
People who are not from the background at all and they are just doing it for passion, or they just have that extra disposable income to start a restaurant, they kind of fail there. But I think that's what your background really helped you.
I was literally I was born inside a hotel. The entire family, we used to live on the ground floor of a hotel.
People who just want to open a restaurant, and most restaurant owners dissuade people ki mat kholna. So what is your advice to someone who's opening a restaurant?
Great industry to join, but I tell everyone that